We're here coming to you live from Dambri. There's not many people here because it's Tet holiday. However, it's a great place to be. Beautiful trees, water, flowers, roller coasters, waterfalls, Ferris wheels, and paddle boats.
Baby, I'm foolish. Baby, I'm blind. And I can see through this, see what's behind. No way to prove it. Baby, I'm lying. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Look in the mirror, what do you see? You see it clearer, what do you see? What you believe, 'cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me.
Hello. Are you scared?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Thôi,
Where are you from?
Sài Gòn, Việt Nam.
Oh, cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
High five.
Cry, 'cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all.
Uh-oh.
Blame
Oh, yay. Die, yeah.
Some people got the real problems.
We're here live in the Swan boats, coming to you from Bao Loc. Brought to you live by sponsor. Insert sponsor name below. The Swan Lake Police Department. We're out here on patrol on the Swan Lake. We got a couple perps over here. They're moving kind of slow. They look kind of suspect. Stop the boat. Stop the boat. Pull over. Bao Loc Lake Patrol coming to you live. We're about to pull up on two perps here. They're out here on the lake with no permits. We're about to pull up on them right now. Hopefully they don't have any prior records. Excuse me. Do you have your permits? Pull the boat over. Excuse me. We're not gonna say it again. Go ahead and bust that tear gas. Chào anh.
Hello.
Làm gì hả?
Yeah.
Hóa hả? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.